Good morning, everyone. Hope everybody's doing great. If you're new to my channel, my name is Unwana, and I try to share some contents that are beneficial to people and also things that I'm also implementing in my life. So, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I also want to thank all my subscribers. So, if you're new today, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so that way you'll be notified when I post some more videos. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and also share it with someone that might benefit from this. So my topic today is the secret to creating wealth. There's really no secret to creating wealth. If you want to know how to create wealth or to build wealth, just research and look at what wealthy people have done. And the key to creating wealth is being able to increase your value. Okay, what do I mean by that? So increasing your value doesn't mean you have to work extra hours in a day. The key to increasing your value is to make yourself more valuable to the marketplace. So for instance, most of us just have a job. Okay, I still have a job. Okay, however, I have businesses that I have on the side that are working for me when I'm sleeping, or I'm at the beach with my kids, or I am doing whatever. Okay, so I'm setting myself up with businesses, okay, that are running in the background, and I don't have to be physically there. So that's how you create wealth. That's how you build wealth, because you only have 24 hours in a day. And if you have a job as your only source of income, you're never gonna make it. And I hear people talk about, I'm living paycheck to paycheck. Believe me, I was living paycheck to paycheck until I decided to make a change in my life, okay? I got sucked into situations where I spent all my money on consumables, okay? Buying the fancy car, you know, going to fancy restaurants. I'm not saying you can't do all that, but right now, in the economic climate that we're in, you have to think for the future. You have to think of setting yourself up, okay, because times are changing, things are changing, so you can't keep doing what everybody else is doing. Okay, there's no point buying a $300,000 house when a $150,000 house will make you better, will put you in a better situation. Okay, you're not here to please anyone. All right, now if you can afford a 300, 400, 500,000, $1 million house, good for you. Go ahead and put your money in there. But what I'm saying is, for the majority of people, okay, including myself, now is not the time to spend that money on luxuries. Now is the time for you to build wealth, okay? Not being rich, okay? There's a difference being rich and being wealthy, okay? You could be making a six-figure income and be living paycheck to paycheck. There are people out there that are making six figures and they're living paycheck to paycheck. It's hard to believe, right? So it's not how much you make, okay, it's how much you keep and how much you have working for you. So the key to creating wealth, okay, is keeping your expenses low, taking the difference, okay, from how much you earn and from your expenses, and then the difference, you put that in an investment vehicle, okay? Some people like the stock market. You got to be careful with that, because if you don't have tolerance for, you know, fluctuations in the stock markets, then you want to stay away from that. However, there are certain stocks or that you can invest in, like dividend, you know, paying stocks, etc. I'm not a financial analyst or financial advisor or a tax professional, so please consult with a professional before you invest, because investments do come with risk. So you can also invest in real estate, okay? Real estate also has been shown with time to appreciate. So certain neighborhoods, after time, they appreciate, and you know, 10, 15, 20 years, houses there appreciate. So you can invest in a real estate property, okay, an investment property. Also, you can invest in luxury watches, okay? There are people out there who are investing in luxury watches and trading luxury watches. That's also a form of business. You can start a blog, you can start a YouTube channel like I'm doing, okay, where you can, you know, build just your channel to a certain point and you get recurring income from that, okay? So there are many avenues, okay, to building wealth, okay? So remember, wealth is not just about money. Wealth is about a lifestyle. All right. So would you rather have a lifestyle or live a life where you want people to think that you've made it, a phony life? No, I don't want that. All right. So remember, to build wealth, you have to increase your value, and increasing your value entails, being disciplined. All right. Always in reinventing yourself, always staying ahead of the curve, always investing in yourself, always trying to increase your skills. Okay. Having a job is not a bad thing. Okay. We all need to go somewhere, we all need to do something, so having a job is fine. However, you have to think for the future. Okay. How long are you going to continue to work? Okay. You're not getting younger, you're actually getting older. All right. I remember when I was 15, I had a friend who was 25, and I thought he was old. And now I'm in my 50s, and I'm thinking, wow, where did all that time go? So if you're young, if you're in your 20s, or even if you're 18, now's the time for you to set yourself up. Don't fall into the trap with your friends and everybody trying to show off, trying to buy the next new gadget, trying to buy the next new car. Okay, I have wasted so much money on cars, it's unbelievable. Okay, I have driven so many cars. Now if I had just invested a fraction of the money I spent on vehicles, all right, in some form of investment, I'll be a multi-millionaire today, I guarantee you. And there are lots of us who are going through the same thing right now. So to cut this short, to create wealth, you have to make sure you get your money to work for you. Okay, generate some passive income, generate some income on the side, because you can only physically work a limited amount of hours in a day. All right, so it's all about lifestyle. I'm chasing a lifestyle. Okay, and the lifestyle I want requires me to have wealth. Okay, so I'm chasing the lifestyle, not just chasing money. All right, so I hope you all have a fantastic day. Like I said, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like this video, share this video with someone who might benefit from it, and hopefully I'll see you on my next video. Have a wonderful day, people. Bye bye.